The commander went to Antiva, chasing after the assassin Zevran. Rumors suggest the pair engaged in a terrible showdown in Antivan capital. And I'll say they took over the crows. Perhaps they eventually are still together. That's it. Oh, that's a creepy ass trophy. Do you see that? Ugh. Let me just type something here. One. Yeah, my Twitch is bugged on my phone. Let me just reset my full Twitch. As I typed up my OBS and it didn't show up on my phone. There we go. Let me type again. What? Why can't I? Yeah, we finished. I'm not seeing messages on. Wait. Did you type one more time? Messages aren't appearing on my phone. Could you type one more time, please? Yeah, I'm seeing on my OBS, but not my phone. Weird. Yeah, very typical fucking Twitch behavior. Thanks, Twitch. You're amazing. Hmm. Wait. Why you like this Twitch? Yes, everyone, 69. 69 till it works. I'm still not seeing it on my phone. I'll show you where my phone stops.
Drink water, you dehydrated bitch!
Yeah, there. No new messages are appearing. I actually need a drink. My Pepsi's out. Oh, wait, it's connecting. We'll give it a bit. Give it a bit here. Come on, Twitch. Come on, connect. I think you're staying here, Henny. Do you need to update the app? Good point, maybe, actually. But it's connecting. Let me look at the Play Store. Which? Nope, that's books. Nope. Yeah, it's disconnected a couple times, the stream. Oh, there we go. It's working now. But yeah, we just have one more expansion due. It's only like 2 hours. Yeah, 69. 69 for the rescue. And that's Witch Hunt.